Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Once again, my name is Omoyera Oluwatosin, and on the channel today, I'll be showing you how to use this wireless microphone, the K9 wireless microphone, and this is what I use for all my videos. Like I said yesterday, all the video I'm going to be posting on phone videography are going to be beginner friendly. So you are like a videographer on budget, creating content for your brand on budgets. Did I make a mistake? I said this is zero. What's it? The K9 wireless microphone is very affordable. You can get this around 10 to 15,000 naira in Nigeria. It is for people that are starting to create content with their phone. Like I said yesterday, all the video I'll be making from now on phone videography is going to be something that you can do at the comfort of your home, or the materials you can get it around, so you don't have to stress yourself to get the tools or materials you'll be needing to film a video with your phone. Okay, now the second thing that this does is make your voice loud and clear. Now it minimizes your voice. Now as I'm talking to you, I've not increased the volume. By the time you start editing the video, will now increase the volume. Okay, so what can you use this K9 microphone for? The first thing you can use it for is to create voiceover for your phone. Now you already film a video, and when you are filming the video, you did not see anything. The video was just there playing and everything. So what you can do is, just after editing your video, you can now use this microphone to do voiceover on that video. Okay, I will show you an example of what it look like. So the next video you are seeing is a voiceover that I did on a video. Hey guys, this is a signature set for Mo Elegante, very affordable. This is like a travel set. You can wear it around the house or for an evening outing. If you need it, just contact them on. Now, secondly, you can use it for live show. Yes, you can use this microphone for live show. If you have a live show that you organize or anything, you are good to go with this microphone. The second thing you can do is to use it for an interview. The reason why I say you can use this thing for an interview, because the microphone comes in pair. Please come. So, hi.
Hello,
Hello, what's your name?
my name is Debbie.
Your name is Temi. Temi, where are you from?
I'm from Ondo State.
So this is Temi, she's from Ondo State, and because the microphone comes in pairs, can you see it? Because it comes in pairs, so you can give it to the person you are interviewing or the person you are talking to. So that's how this thing works. Okay, now you can use it for vlog short videos. Okay, if you travel, if you go for a vacation or you travel or anything, or you have these short videos that you do, that you create content for, your these things that you create content for, all you have to do is to get this microphone. And hey guys, even when you are outside, it will filter most of the background sound for you, even when the place is. It was when I was editing the video that I noticed that the microphone went off because there's no voice recording in this video. Now, what I was saying in the video was, I'm going to show you how to use the K9 microphone, how to set it up so that you'll be able to use it to create content. The next video you are going to see is on how to unbox and connect the K9 microphone to your phone. This is the K9 microphone, and this is how the packaging look like, or what the packaging look like. Okay, the next thing is we are going to connect the K9 microphone to the phone. Now when you unbox this is what the inside of the microphone is going to look like. The microphone comes in pair, and this is the connector. You can see that the connector have a type C cord, like a charger port, and I have the one that has BlackBerry. Just install it like this, and if you are using an iPhone, you move that one and install the one for iPhone. Now the phone that we have here is a type C phone. I'm just going to connect it through the charging port of the phone, and this is what it's going to look like. As for the microphone, you can charge it when it goes off. That's the charging port. And the next thing the microphone has is a clip. This is the clip that you will use to clip it to your clothes. Yes, and the next thing the microphone has is the on button. So once you switch it on, there's going to be a green light if the connector is connected to the phone. But if you unconnect this to show you that it's not connected, you have a green and red light. So that's what it's going to look like. So now this is my curious to place it at home. Go to your own house. So and you start filming your videos. Do anything you want, create content, help you learn a thing or two from this video. And if you do, please don't forget to give us a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, like our video, and if you have any tutorial requests, the comment section is there for you. Have a nice day and bye.